Step 1. Check your credit score before refinancing. Higher scores typically qualify for better interest rates.
Step 2. Review your current mortgage terms. Understanding your existing loan helps determine if refinancing makes financial sense.
Step 3. Determine your refinancing goals. Are you seeking lower payments, shorter loan terms, or accessing equity?
Step 4. Calculate your break-even point. Compare closing costs against monthly savings to understand when refinancing becomes.
Step 5. Gather your financial documents. Lenders require pay stubs, tax returns, and bank statements to process your refinance application.
Step 6. Research current interest rates. Compare offerings from multiple lenders to understand the current market landscape and potential savings.
Step 7. Get pre-qualified with lenders.
Pre-qualification provides estimated loan terms based on your financial profile without affecting your credit score.
Step 8. Compare loan offers carefully. Review interest rates, closing costs, loan terms, and any prepayment penalties from each lender.
Step 12, close your refinance. Sign final docs, pay costs, new terms start now. Congratulations.